Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix there was a problem logging you into Instagram. Please try again soon. So guys, if you're trying to log in your Instagram account but you are facing this problem and you are unable to log in your account, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now you have to simply make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, check your internet connection, and after this, if you are still facing this problem, then change your internet connection. So guys, if you're using Wi-Fi, then use your mobile data, and if you're using mobile data, then use your Wi-Fi and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply update your Instagram to the latest version. So guys, for that you have to simply open your App Store or Play Store and search here for Instagram. So guys, here it is. So guys, from here you have to simply download the latest version of Instagram app in your device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open your Instagram, and from here you have to simply tap on forgotten password, and from here you have to simply reset your password of your Instagram account. So guys, reset the password and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open your Instagram again, and from here tap on cannot reset password and wait here for some seconds. So guys, from here you can see you can contact the Instagram support team from here if you are unable to log in your Instagram account and you are facing this problem again and again. So guys, you have to simply explain your problem to the Instagram team, and they will review this problem and they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.